Best Buy looks like the turnaround story of the year, but looks can be deceiving. The electronics retailer reported its first quarterly profit in a year, thanks to some much-lauded efforts by its new CEO, Hubert Joly. He has slashed costs, cutting jobs, and closing stores. And the stock has skyrocketed, up about 160% year-to-date. And that worries Morningstar's R.J. Hotovy.
There were a lot of costs to be cut in Best Buy's cost structure, and I think that the market has rewarded the company for those efforts, but now has overshot that and maybe getting a little bit too optimistic for a company that still doesn't have any inherent cost advantages over the likes of Amazon, Walmart.
Best Buy has been doing a better job with price matching those rivals' online prices and is revamping its stores and website. It's also letting vendors like Samsung and Microsoft run their own boutiques within its stores, something that could backfire.
I think the store within stores with Samsung and Microsoft are a nice touch for the time being and should provide a short-term lift in terms of sales as well as profitability. But at the same time, you're also giving the companies like Samsung and Microsoft a blueprint of how they could build their own retail presence. So it comes as a bit of a double-edged sword and potentially could come back to hurt them in the long run.
Hotovy does like the company's Ship from Store program, which it plans to extend to more than 200 locations in time for the holiday season.